me sleep. Hello? Oh, hi, baby. How are you? That's good. Me? Yeah, I guess I sound pretty rough, huh? I'm not feeling all that great. I've been feeling shitty all morning. My head is pounding. I feel so, weak and sore. I've been coughing a lot, and I'm really sick to my stomach. No, I barely slept at all last night. I couldn't get comfortable. I just kept tossing and turning, and I've been getting really bad chills, and I have no idea what this is. I hope it's just like a 24-hour thing. I know we've really been looking forward to it all week, but is it okay if we rain check our date tonight? I really don't feel like I can do it. I'd be acting all mopey and sleepy, and I feel like I'd ruin everything. Plus, I don't want to get you sick. No, you don't have to come over. I'll be fine. No, seriously. It's really sweet and thoughtful of you, but you don't have to. I'm okay. No, you will not be here right away. I said I don't want you to come over, baby. Please. Of course I want you here with me, but I don't want you to get sick. Well, you might not care, but I do. If I'm sick, I just have to deal with it myself. But if you catch it too, then I have to watch you be miserable with it and can't do anything to help you. Don't feel guilty. You're not abandoning me. I'm asking you to stay home. I want you to be okay, alright? I can deal with this myself. Look, babe, I appreciate that you care about me, but I'd worried so much if you got sick. Fuck. He hung up? No. Oh, I can't let him do this. Why did I tell you where my spare key was? Go away. Please go away. Please. I'm not decent. Okay, I'm in my pajamas, but I look all gross. I have no makeup on. My face is all pale. You really don't want to see me like this. Please. I told you my stomach is queasy. What if I open the door and then I just throw up on you as you walk in? Babe, I barricaded the door. There's no way you're getting in here. Please listen to me. I don't want you to get sick right now. I'd never forgive myself if you got sick because of me. Please, just go home. I guess you're really not going to leave me alone. Fine. Okay, come in. Hey. So, I wasn't kidding. I guess I look pretty yucky, huh? Thank you, but I know I look terrible. Probably just as terrible as I feel. Yeah, I just put my chair in front of my door. I'm sick. What did you think? That it'd be strong enough to put my dresser against it? Oh. I feel like I got hit by a truck. Like my body's sore all over. I don't know what happened. Yeah, it started last night. I just started feeling really weak and queasy. And I can't even remember when I fell asleep. Have you ever had, like, nights where you're so tired and restless you can't even remember if you slept or not the next morning? Yeah, no. Please, babe, don't get any closer. I'm not going to take the chance of getting you sick. I know you can't bear being so far away from me, but you'll have to put up with it, okay? At least for today. For your own sake. What's in the bag? You brought me stuff? No way. You brought me chicken noodle soup? Oh, no wonder it took you a while to get here. I can't believe you did this just for me. Yeah, I'll try some. My God, it's really good. Yeah, even though my stomach feels really yucky right now, I don't care. This is so good. This is the first thing I had to eat all day. I was too scared to eat. I wasn't sure I'd be able to keep it down. Wow, I can't believe you made this for me. I had no idea my boyfriend was a chef. You brought me ice cream. Oh, you're the best. I think I might have to pass on that for now. I should probably stay away from sweet stuff for a while just to be safe. But when I feel better, I'm definitely hitting the freezer and you and I are going to share the ice cream. No, seriously, baby, the soup is fine. You've done enough already. I guess I am kind of chilly. I could use another blanket. Thank you. That's much better. You'll be right back? Okay. Oh, an ice pack? Thank you. My head's been killing me. No, I'm okay, really. I don't need anything else. You know what? You're so sweet for coming to stay with me. I'm actually glad you were stubborn and didn't listen to me when I told you to stay home. If I have to feel lousy, at least I have you here with me to make me feel better. Oh, my stomach's really upset. I feel a bit better now that I've eaten, but I'm still really nauseous. Yeah, tea sounds pretty good. But you don't have to get it. I can make it myself, really. You've already done enough. I feel so bad making you do all this for me. Yeah, I know you're offering, but I feel guilty. Like I'm taking advantage of how nice you are. You're gonna make my tummy hurt even more if you don't stop being so sweet to me. Okay, if you insist, I'll wait here. Oh, chamomile tea. It's perfect. You brew a good cup of tea. Thank you. Hey, do you mind if I try to get some sleep? I'm so tired, and I figure my stomach and my head won't bother me as long as I'm asleep. No thanks, I don't need anything. You've really done plenty for me. Just you being here is enough. And thanks so much for staying with me. I'm sorry I ruined our date night. No, I do feel bad about it. I had this one day off, and all I wanted to do was to have a nice day with you. We could have had dinner, or a picnic, or a walk in the park, or cuddled on the couch. Well, we don't have to have anything big planned for our dates. The point is that it could have been a fun day for us to spend together, and I had to ruin it by getting sick. No. We are not cuddling. Absolutely not. I love being close to you, but I keep telling you I don't want you to get sick. I wouldn't forgive myself if you got sick because of me. You seriously don't care if you get sick? Look, you see how I look right now, right? I'm warning you. I'm miserable. My head feels like it's going to explode. I'm so nauseous. I keep feeling like I'm going to puke. Are you sure you can handle it? Anything to help me feel better? You really are the best. You know that. Okay. If you don't mind being so close to a gross, pale, sick girl like me, then you may cuddle me if you wish. Come on, get in. Oh, wow. You're so warm. Oh, come here. Let me hold you closer. Oh, I missed having my arms around you. What are you... Are you rubbing my tummy right now? Oh, that feels so nice. I don't deserve you. You're taking such good care of me. I swear you're gonna make me cry. I just love you so much. I really didn't know how badly I needed you. I just didn't want you to get sick. Well, I've got to tell you, now that you insisted on laying here with me, you're in for it now, but you're not going anywhere. You're staying right here with this sick little old me. You're like my own personal heating pad. You don't have to give me anything else. All I need is this right here. I'm never letting you go. You're just too snuggly. I love you too much. You're the best medicine I could have asked for. So, since you said you don't mind getting sick, is it alright if I kiss you? Okay, good. I think I need about 100 of those to feel better. Oh, yeah. After just that one, my tummy is already feeling a lot better. Oh, wow. I get leg rubs too for my aching muscles. You're unbelievable. You're funny. Is this okay? Why would you think you ever have to ask my permission? You know I'd never turn down leg tickles or rubs. In fact, let me just bend my knee and bring my leg closer to make it easier for you. There. Now tickle away, my love. Oh my god. My legs are so sore. I feel like I ran a marathon today. So this feels like heaven. Come here. Yeah. I need you even closer. Let me just pull you in and put my leg over you. Here. Is that okay? You're not uncomfortable, are you? Okay, good. Guess I wouldn't move anyway. Just kidding. You're so good to me. Yes, you are. You insisted on coming over, even though I kept telling you to stay away. You made me soup and tea. You even brought me ice cream for dessert. And now you're cuddling up with me and rubbing my belly. And believe me, being so close to me when I'm feeling sick is definitely taking a risk. I mean, any second now I could, So I guess that's a testament to how much you love me. That's true love. Putting up with a sick, whiny girl like me. You're the best. You're my medicine. Like my sweet little antibiotic to fight out all the yucky stuff that's making me feel so bad. Get over here. Yes, I did just nibble on your cheek. What do you mean, why? I'm taking my medicine. What? I'm just taking care of myself. I think it's working. And the best part is this medicine isn't gross and bitter. It's yummy. You're yummy. You taste like chocolate and strawberries and hugs and kisses and love and I don't know, I'm just being silly. You like it when I act all silly? I'm glad. You being here has really cheered me up. I was so miserable before you got here, but now I'm just so happy. I guess I can't help but act silly. You just bring it out of me. I'm feeling kind of drowsy again. I'm really sleepy. I think I'm gonna try to go back to sleep if you don't mind. You don't? Could you just keep holding me and cuddling me until I fall asleep? You're so cute and cuddly. My little cuddle bug. I love you so much. I think I'll sleep a lot better knowing you're right beside me. You look like you've been getting sleepy too. My sleepy baby. My sweet, sweet sleepy baby. You were really my hero today, you know. Thanks for coming to see me. I don't know what I would have done without you. Yeah, I was really not feeling plus ultra at all today. Just keep holding me like this. We'll fall asleep together. Sweet dreams, my love. Yeah, of course we can kiss until we fall asleep.